Hello everybody. Today we will discuss about the solution of the mid-semester examination that was held on the 5th May, and we have already provided the PPT and PDF related to this solution. But whatever was presented in the PPT and PDF, the same will be discussed here in order to make it more clear. So here, if we see, then we'll find there are the 30 questions having the 30 marks, and the time allotted for that purpose was the 30 minutes. Now if we see here, then we'll find that out of the 30 questions, we will discuss how many students have performed and how many were correct out of the 20 students, because in this mid-semester examination there were the 20 students, and finally we will conclude what is the summary, that is how many students were in the middle range, and what is the minimum number and what was the maximum number that was awarded in this mid-semester examination. And out of this discussion we will discuss all 30 questions here one by one. And first of all we will discuss what was the summary here. Now we see, then we'll find that out of the 20 students, the average marks was the 22.65 out of the 30 marks here, and the range was 19 to 25 points here out of the 30, and the median was 23 out of the 30 here. Now if we see how many students got the 23 marks, then it is near about here the 10, the 24 marks 4, and these are the here the frequency of the or the number of the students which have been awarded by a particular value or particular number having a range of the 19 to 25 here. Now if we discuss the first question, the best visual compressed quality is achieved using which type of the transformation, then we will find here that the wavelet was the correct answer in this one. And the second question was systems that have parallel processing capabilities. If we see options here, then options were the VLU, very long instruction word, and SIMD, and multiple input multiple data here. So if we see these three options, then these three are related to the parallel processing, so all of the above are correct in this one. Because even if we consider here the single instruction multiple data, in that one what is happening, the multi-processing is taking place at the data level here, so all are related to the here the parallel processing. Similarly, if we consider here the as compared to the analog system, the digital processing of the signal allow programmable operations, flexibility in the system design, cheaper system, more reliability. Then we will find that here the first all these options, that is the programmable operations and the flexibility in the system design as well as the cheaper system, more reliability, are related to the here the advantages of the digital signal processing. So all of the above are correct here. So D is the correct answer. 20 students has responded and all were correct here. So 100% output have been achieved in this question here. Now we come to the next question. To which class of the systems does the von Neumann computer belongs here? Then we will find these are the SIMD, that is the single instruction multiple data, MEMD multiple instruction multiple data, MISD multiple instruction single data, are related to the here the parallel processing, multiple processing here. But the single instruction single data, it is related to the here the von Neumann architecture, having the single memory for the purpose of the data as well as the program or the instructions here. So this one is the correct answer in this one. And 19 out of the 20, 19 were correct in this for this question here. And the next question was the effect caused due to the finite word length are coefficient quantization, yes, adder overflow limit cycle, that is quantization in the summation, round off noise during the time of the truncation, and the limit cycles in the case of the feedback. So all are the correct here. 20 response were received here and all were correct. So 100% response is correct here. In block preparation, the luminance matrix is represented as, so if we find that Y is a function of the RGB, red, green, blue, having the coefficients of the 0.30, 0.59 and 0.11. Out of the 20 response, all were correct here. Next is, in this question, if we see, there are the two questions. One is in the following figure of the software, a development tools, the files X, Y, Z and P are 19 by 20 correct response achieved in this question here. That is here the software development tools having the compiler, assembler, linker and loader. So the .c is the first file that will be converted into the .sm, then .obj and the .out. So this is the correct answer here. Out of the 20, 19s were correct here. 95% response was achieved in this one. 22 question is the 22nd question was for the decimal number 2.50 in single precision floating point format, representation and the sign MSB and the exponent bits. If we represent the 2.50, then this can be written as the -1 to the power s, because it is the positive here. So -1 to the power 0. So MSB will become the almost 0 here, and 2 multiplied by 1.25. 2 to power 1, it means here 2 to power 1 e minus 127. This must be the 1. So e exponent it becomes here the 128. So exponent bit will be represented by this one here, that is the 0 and 1, having the 0, 2 to 4, 6 and 7, 1 to 8. So this is the correct answer here. 17s were correct out of the 20 here. Now if we see the next question, which filters exhibit their dependency upon the system design for the stability purposes. Naturally, the FIR has no feedback,